Midjourney has just launched an incredible new feature called the Describe function, which is a robust tool that generates creative text prompts for user-uploaded images. Now, you can enjoy the qualities of a specific image without having to wrestle with describing it, because Midjourney will do that for you. To use the Describe function, you will want to first download whatever image you wish to evaluate. I personally really want to try out this astronaut image I found on the Midjourney gallery. Once you have saved your image, head over to the Midjourney Discord and type /describe, which will bring up this drag and drop box for your image. Place your desired image in and you will receive 4 different text prompts. As you can see, we have our 4 different prompt variations. Now, you may have already noticed these sections of text highlighted in blue. This means Midjourney has drawn similarities between the image and the style of a specific artist. This is a hyperlink that once you click it, it will actually take you to the Google results page of the respective artist. Now, you will probably see a lot of phrases and descriptors unfamiliar to you. Algae punk is a good example of this. Now, these fringe terms may be unfamiliar to you, but are useful in Midjourney prompts. Let's try out each of these prompts. You simply click on one of these buttons below, and you will be given the opportunity to edit the prompt before generating it. This is your chance to add, remove, or change certain details in your prompt. For example, you might find the original image too orange and you can change the prompt to be purple. Let's keep it as is for now for all 4 of these prompts. So now that we have all 4 of our prompts generated, you can see the similarities as well as the differences. I have found that the accuracy of the prompts largely corresponds to the complexity of the image provided. Now, this is already tremendously useful, but to take it farther, I like to go back to the original image, right-click, and copy image address. Once I do that, I will go back to where I had the prompts given to me and choose one of the prompts and then add that image address to the beginning of this text prompt. This will cause the original image to be weighted in your overall prompt generation. Once generated, you should receive a set of images closer to the original image. In my opinion, these do seem to be a bit closer, but let's go ahead and look at our original image and compare. Yeah, still not perfect, but a lot better in my opinion. The last thing I want to show is how it describes real photos. Here I have this image of a man standing on a cliff. Let's upload it to Midjourney and see what it does. Here are my results. Some distinct differences, but overall the depiction is similar. Now, this new feature is far from perfect, but it offers a lot more depth to the prompting process, which is a central learning curve to AI art generation. I expect it to greatly improve over time, and I am excited to see how it develops. I encourage all of you to give it a try, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content in the future.